Cucumbers are not just refreshing snacks. They are packed with nutrients. They contain vitamins C and K, potassium and magnesium. Plus, they're about 95% water, making them a fantastic way to stay hydrated. Let's talk about skin. Cucumbers are known for their soothing properties. They help reduce puffiness, hydrate the skin, and even fight sunburn. You can slice them and place them on your eyes for a quick refresh. Looking to lose a few pounds? Cucumbers are low in calories but high in fiber, making them great for weight loss. They help keep you full without packing on the calories. Cucumbers also promote digestive health. The fiber content aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation, keeping your gut happy. Since cucumbers are primarily water, they help keep you hydrated. It's also a great snack on hot days or after workouts. They replenish lost fluids and keep your body functioning at its best. Did you know cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties? They contain antioxidants that help fight inflammation in the body, promoting overall health and wellness. So whether you're snacking on them, tossing them in a salad, or using them in your skincare routine, cucumbers are a great powerhouse of health benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.